Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain the most useful thread function in Microsoft Excel. What is the filter function? The filter function allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. In this example, I use the filter function to find all the information using one condition, the item name pen. Equal, click on the filter function. Array meaning that the range of values that you want to filter. Select all table, comma, include meaning that using the condition in a range of dataset. Select all item name, equal, quote, pen, quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. Now calculate the total using the sum function. Equal, click on the sum function, select all product sold, close parenthesis, and press enter. We can use the second solution by clicking on one item name. Click on book, press enter. Pen, roundup function. The roundup function round a number up to a specified numbers of decimal place. In the example, I use the roundup function to round up the average mark of the student. Firstly, I use the average function to calculate the average mark of the student. Equal, click on the average function, select on the mark of the subject, close parenthesis, and press enter. Double click. Now use the roundup function. Equal, click on the roundup function. Number, the best number that you want to apply rounding to. Click on the average mark, comma, num_digit, the number or digit you want to include after the decimal point after rounding. Example, if you insert 0, the result will 95. If you insert 2, the result will 94.34. Close parenthesis and press enter. Double click. Rounddown function. The rounddown function round a number down towards 0 to the number or decimal place you choose. In the example, I use the rounddown function to round down the average mark of the student. Firstly, I use the shortcut key on the average function to calculate the average mark. Select table, press Alt plus H plus U plus A. Now I use the rounddown function. Equal, click on the rounddown function, click on earn average mark, comma, insert 1, the result will be 94.6. Close parenthesis and press enter. Double click. Insert 0, the result will be 94. Click and scroll down. Text function. The text function converts a number, date, or time values into a text string and allow you to format it in a specific way using a format code. In the example, I use the text function to separate day, month, and year from the date. Equal, click on the text function. Values, the value that you want to format. I want to separate the date, so click on the date. Comma, format underscore text, the format code that you want to apply. In this part, I want to separate the day from the date, so I use the format day. Quote, 40, quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Separate the month from the date. Equal, click on the text function, click on the date, comma, quote, 4M, quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Lastly, separate the year from the date. Click and scroll down. Concatenate function. The concatenate function combines type string from different cells. In the example, I combine name and surname into full name using the concatenate function. Equal. Click on the concatenate function. Click on join, comma, quote, space, quote, comma. Click on Mario, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. You can use the flag field to combine name and surname into full name. What is the flag field in Microsoft Excel? Flag field automatically fill your data when it knows a pattern. Actually, the shortcut key of the flag field is Ctrl+E. John, Mario, press Ctrl+E. Date function. The date function allows you to create a date from individual years, month, and day component. In the example, I combine year, month, and day into a date using the date function. Equal, click on the date function, click on year, comma, month, comma, day, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Edate function. The edate function calculates the serial number that represents the date. Equal. Click on the edate function. Click on start date, comma. Insert 1. The result will increase 1 month. Click on 1. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down. Select all serial number. Press Ctrl+C +3. Trim function. The trim function removes all the space from the text except for single space between words. In the example, I use the trim function to clean the space of the student name. Equal. Click on the trim function. Click on student name, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Subtotal function. The subtotal function calculates the subtotal of a range of the cell that using a specified function, like sum, average, etc., meaning they calculate the small group. Firstly, I use the sum function to calculate the total. Equal. Click on the sum function, select all salary number, close parenthesis, and press enter. Now I use the subtotal function. Equal. Click on the subtotal function. If you click on sum, you will calculate the subtotal of the total salary. If you click on average, you will calculate the sub-average of the average salary. In example, I want to calculate the subtotal of the total salary, so click on the sum function, comma, select all salary number, close parenthesis, and press enter. Select all department table, click on sort and filter, click on accounting, it will calculate only accounting group. Click OK. Click on department cell one more. OK. Unichar function. The Unichar function converts the code number to symbol. Equal. Click on the Unichar function. Click on the code number, close parenthesis, and press enter. Double click. Unicode function. The Unicode function converts the symbol to the code number. Equal. Click on the Unicode function. Click on symbol, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Log function. The log function finds the higher number in a range. In the example, I will find the 3 higher marks of the student using the log function. Firstly, I use the shortcut key of the sum function to calculate the total mark of the student. Select table, press Alt plus equal. Now I use the last function. Equal, click on the last function. Array, meaning that all the number that you wish to find one among them. Select all the mark. Comma. Pay, meaning that the position of one higher number that you want to find. I want to find the first higher mark of the student, so I insert 1. Close parenthesis and press enter. The second higher mark of the student. Equal, click on the last function. Select all the mark. Comma. 2. Close parenthesis and press enter. The third higher mark of the student. Lastly, Networkday function. The Networkday function calculates the number of workdays between 2 dates. Equal, click on Networkday function. Click on Start Date, comma. Click on End Date, close parenthesis, press Enter. Click and scroll down.